So yes, now boys and girls, happy new year. Yeah, happy new year to me. Starter motor's gone on Olivia now, so the money pit continues, as they call them, a money pit. So I'm going to try and take you along, show you how to fit a starter motor. Can't see it being that hard. We'll have to move a few things out of the way, but we'll see how we go. Boyaka, jungle is man see. So boys and girls, starter motor's down there. Don't know if you can see it. Oh no. See if we can get down there somewhere. That silver thing there, starter motor. So as you can see, it's a bit of a pain in the ass to get to. There's a few bits to move. I'm going to move this ball, this pipe, and see where I'm at then. Back to you in a bit. Big up. So as you can see, I've moved water bottle. Just stuck it there. So basically, I've took the two little pipes off the top and left the main one on the bottom and just shoved it out where there. It's just two little torque heads. Gives you a lot more room. See, all I'm going to do now is move this pipe, which is a clip there. There is just a little clip underneath. Clips it out, pull pipe out, and then I'll do that on that end as well. And then we'll see where we're at. Big up. So as you can see, boys and girls, after you've moved a couple of bits, it's quite easy to get to. There's two bolts on it. They're both 18mm. Now I have these ratchet spanners. I swear to God, these have saved my life numerous times, because you can't always get a socket in, blah blah blah. These ones are Bahco, made by Bahco, and if you look, that side's an 18, that side's a 19, 16, 17, and there's like 3 of them in a set. Don't that expensive either, absolutely brilliant. So yeah, I've just cracked them 2 nuts. I'm now going to take the wires off the back of the starter motor there. There's one at the bottom which I've already took off of that big nut, and then there's 2 at top, a big one that goes to your battery and that, and then another little wire. So I'll show you when I get it off. Big up. So yes, now starter motor's off. Probably half an hour job. Like I said, there's 2 big bolts in it. There's 2 wires go to it, and then like a plug-in wire that goes to it. The 2 smaller ones, I think they're 13. The 2 big ones that hold it in are an 18, and then there's just a plug. It's quite apparent where the wires and that go. I'll turn you out. So one goes on here, and then one of the big bolts that goes through the bottom. So that goes through the bottom. See, I've got another, I think they're a 13mm. Goes on there with another wire on there, and then a plug-in one there. So yes, now boys and girls, that's it. Starter motor off. Like I say, probably if you move them bits out of the way, it's an half an hour job to get it off. It's not too hard. So I'm going to fit new one. So there's my new one. There's my old one. I've heard that it might have something to do with this wire here, because it was just like sparking from there, just making that noise. So there's my new one. My new one looks a bit more heavy duty, to be fair, but we'll see. Yes, no. Right, new one's in. As you can see, you can see where the wires go. That one's just a plug. Then that wire there goes onto that bolt, and then there's one at the bottom, goes on that bottom bolt. See that bottom bolt down there? and then yeah, that should be all put back in. Don't forget to unplug your battery. I've taken mine off. Took it right off because I'm going to put a bit of charge in it because it went a bit divvy. Oh yes, now boys and girls, that's starter motor done. Probably take you an hour, you know, if you weren't faffing about like I was, trying to charge torches and that kind of stuff, but it's not hard to do. Couple of 18 mils, couple of 13 mils, obviously. Move your bottle and that pipe there, makes it a lot easier. So yeah, job done. Like I said, don't forget to take your battery leads off. That should be shocking. Big up, jungle is massive.